very limited amount of people who are coming into the field. And our students, when they come in, they really tend to rise above the rest.
That quiet inner strength, that resilience, that sort of inner toughness that I just haven't seen anywhere else.
A student coming from Johnson College has been taught some of the basics of the work environment, and then they come into the work environment here with a technical background that is going to surpass the everyday person.
And I think there's something about the curriculum at Johnson College, the way they teach, has an ability to bring out in people, I think, really the best parts of someone.
They treat you as a person. It's one-on-one.
You're not just a number, you mean something.
After coming here and seeing the program they offered for electrical and just the faculty and the people teaching, I fell in love with it.
We talk a lot with our industry partners, and we really get a sense of what they need and what they want for their future employees, and our programs are reflective of that.
Because we treat our classroom like the workplace.
If we weren't here as Johnson College in its current form, the way in which we provide that individual attention to students and industry partners, I can't imagine what industry in this region would be like.
Every trade is so important to everyday life.
Try to get your car fixed, try to get, find a good HVAC technician or someone to take care of your family members or animals who actually cares. It's our students that are fueling this economy and helping the region grow.
We actually promote we work. If you consider that coupled with be essential, really you're never going to be without work. If you learn a trade and you're good at it, you'll never be unemployed.
I mean, I can't believe how far Johnson College has come from the years that we were here.
I think Johnson College has elevated itself today.
A larger and more diverse Johnson College where students aren't just, being educated for the jobs of today, but really helping industry look into the future and, training for the jobs of tomorrow as well. So definitely keeping the pulse on what's going on with industry, providing value to industry, expanding our recruitment footprint and expanding those special programs.
The one thing we always say that with technology, it becomes obsolete over time. And astonishing, we could say from 1 to 2 years technology goes obsolete, so we have to be prepared. We have to be on the next forefront of what we need to know going into these jobs and going into industry.
If you have an opportunity to just give something to Johnson College, whether it's in one of their scholarship funds or if you just feel a need to be able to provide something to this college, you're really providing an opportunity for a lot of students to be able to grow beyond where they're currently at and to be able to expand and to use an opportunity, if you will, for them to use Johnson College as their stepping stone to their future.
We're investing in our students, which is something to be proud of.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Newell. I graduated in 2018, and I'm speaking to you today from Johns Hopkins.
I didn't realize that getting a degree in electronics and fluidics at Johnson College would lead to a degree in aerospace, but that's where it led me.
I wanted to get a career. I was looking for a career, and Johnson opened the doors for me to get into the industry that I've been in for nearly 40 years.
Johnson College has definitely offered me many opportunities to grow and learn, achieve, share with others, challenge me to new heights that I never thought that I would be doing for myself.
Without Johnson College, I wouldn't be where I am today. No way.
Like, they're very determined to help you no matter what you need. Like, they're not afraid to go above and beyond. As long as you're doing above and beyond, they're willing to go the next step and go above and beyond for you.
Stepping stone to basically go to college, because my parents had no money, and I had to earn money if I wanted to go to college, and I didn't want to be a coal miner. That was most of my generation. That's where they ended up, working in the coal mines. Well, I went to work in GE Research Laboratories. I have 18 patents.
Everything that I've accomplished here, the learning that I've adapted, I've used all of my resources, that's built a strong foundation, and with that foundation, I've just built more off of it.